Hello everyone, my name is Iwan Ruiqi. My metric number is 821 EC462. Today I will introduce my PSM1 project. My project title is Online Rent Platform for UTM Student. Why I choose this project title? Okay, first one we see the content. The first one is background. The second one is objective. And the third one is literature review and system analysis. And the fourth is the system development method. And five is the result for PSM1 phase. And the sixth is the PSM2 plan. And the seven is the conclusion. Okay, at first, come back to our question. So why I choose this project for my PSM1 project? Look at this picture. This is information found in the website. This picture shows that the number of international students in Malaysia increase quickly every year. The 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. So on the one hand, the number of international students in Malaya increased quickly. It has some benefits, like it can improve in the Malaya economy and it good for the student education. But on the other hand, it have some bad situation. For example, a school just can receive 100 people, but there are 1,000 people there. Yeah, the school cannot receive a number of people. That means that a lot of people, a lot of students, especially international students, have to live in outside. Yeah, but they will meet a lot of problem. So this is why I want to do this project, and this is our objective. The first one is provide a exclusive rent platform for students. Second one, enhance information transparency and reduce the risk of renting an apartment. And third one is simplify the process of renting an apartment for students and provide neighborhood information support. And the last page in my scope is the scope. This platform is not only for students, but also for the landlord. So it's for the international student and the landlord at UTM or at Johor Bahru. And it include some models for property management, evaluation system, real-time communications, and so on. Like payment, like the pay deposit, like check the room information, like say the labor information, and so on. So this is why I want to do this project, because UTM as an international education school, the number of international students increased so quickly every year. So a lot of people have to live outside. So for this reason, I aim to create a exclusive rent platform that not only enhance information transparency, but also simplifies the rent process. So for this platform, if I find the two websites. These are two most important, most famous website in Malaya. The first one is Speed Home, and the second one is Property. Yeah. When I know this two websites, I find some advantage and disadvantage. Of course, they have the advantage. They have the enough listing information. They have enough house. They have a high market share, and they have some special service, the zero deposit rent service, and they have a good and powerful research function. But actually, this two website is good, but it's only good for the local people. It's not good for the, it's not suitable. It's not good, not suitable for the international student. Like some disadvantage, the lack of student specific code model, and the higher cost, and the doubtful information, and the lack of real-time communication tools, and so on. Because a lot of internet students are new in Malaya, they don't know a lot of about the local or illegal. They don't know the how much per month if they want to rent a room, and they don't know it's convenient for him or her to go to school and so on. So it's not good for the internet student in Bhutan. So to do this platform, I select agile development. Why I choose this system development method? The first reason is that this development divide can lead to the works divided into a lot of interaction. So it means that we can do this project interaction by interaction. And if we meet some trouble, meet some problem, like we receive the bad feedback, so that we have to change our direction, so use this, we can change it so quickly, so easy, because it have a lot of interactions. And the second is that we can get the feedback from the customer directly. Yeah, it is good for. And the third one is that it is good for the teamwork. Yeah. So I choose this math development. And this is some hardware software. Yeah, and the software requirements. Yeah, we need the Flutter, we need the Google Map API, we need the Figma to draw the UI interface, and we need a database to store the data. And this is hardware software, the RAM, the operating system, the smartphones, and the processor, and so on. Okay, so this is the MVC architecture. So for this website, why I choose the MVC architecture? Because the most important is if you use MVC architecture, it will be so clearly. Yeah, because it divides the three parts: the view layer, the model layer, and the control layer. So it means that you can you can so clear when you do something because the model layer is responsible for the processing of data and the business logic. The view layer is responsible for the user interface display, and the controller layer between the view and the model. The controller is responsible for processing user input and coordinating the interaction between the view and the model. All of this means that in the future, if we want to extend them, it's so easy. It's more easier than other. It's more easy than other architecture, and if it is easy to it is easy to fix it, and it's easy to test, so I choose this one. So this is some results we do in PSM1. This is the UI interface. This is the login page, yeah. But if you don't have a list, you can click the create a new account. You will move to the create an account. This is a register page. And if you log in successfully, this is our main page. Yeah, you can see some room, the price, and the review, and the room information here, and this logout, and so on. And this is search. Uh, our search. You can find some home you like. Yeah. And next page, this is the house information, detailed information. Yeah, you can see the location, the price, the size, the fitness, the contact information about the landlord, and so on. Yeah, and this is for the landlord. Yeah, the landlord, if a landlord want to rent their house to other people, it might have to upload the rental request. And this is a personal profile. Yeah, you can see a picture. And if you're a landlord, it will show your house. And if you're a student, it will show your like. Yeah. And this is a message. If you want to book in room, you can contact the landlord and it will move to the chart page. So in conclusion, in summary, the project have successfully developed an apartment rent platform for UTM international students, focusing on solving the shortcomings of a traditional platform in terms of transparency and convenience. In future, I hope to extend this model to more university and city to provide more student group with efficient and reliable rent solution. That's all. Thank you.